Is BTT going to crash? There's been a massive rise. This thing is pumped to the moon, but it looks like it is falling down. Is it going to crash? In this video, we're going to be answering accurately all of these questions. I'm going to be doing some incredible technical analysis with some price predictions to let you guys know what is next for BTT. So make sure you guys stay tuned because you cannot miss this video. Now guys, let's go ahead and smash the like button for BTT. BTT needs another pump, so let's go ahead and smash the likes. And this weekend, let me know in the comments below, do you think BTT will pump or will it dump? Is it going to go up or is it going to go down? What's up guys, my name is Miles. This is my third YouTube channel. My first YouTube channel, I primarily focused on Dogecoin and some other altcoins, but I made this channel to do Cardano, BTT. But I'm an expert in technical analysis and I'm able to call out big plays before they happen. So if you want to make a lot of money in cryptocurrencies, make sure you guys subscribe and hit the notification bell so you do not miss my time-sensitive videos. Additionally, if you want to get my private trade alerts for cryptocurrencies, you can join the Discord through the Patreon. I give out those in the VIP Discord, and you can have access to that through the Patreon. I'm giving out buy signals, when to buy, when to sell for cryptos and stocks. But guys, I've called out a lot of really big plays, especially BNB and BTT this week before they pump. So a lot of people are in a lot of profits. There's other calls that I made as well. So you guys go ahead and check that out. But let's go ahead and do some technical analysis so we can answer your fears, your questions, your anxieties. What is going on next for BTT? Should you buy? Should you hold? Should you sell? What is next? We're going to be answering all of these right now. All right, guys. So I use a charting software called Market Cypher. It's like $1,500, but it basically tells me before we get big drops. And look, on the 1 hour chart, there has pretty much been no blood diamond, and that's what I'm seeing right now. A blood diamond is a potential bearish situation. It is a bearish situation, and it basically lets you know to go short, to short this position. And since we got the blood diamond, everything dipped off. But are we seeing a reversal? It's very possible. But look guys, what we are seeing right now is these are EMA ribbons. And these are the moving average ribbons. So it basically lets you know where the price should be. And if the price action, these candles are under the ribbons, that is very bearish for the current price. But that's only looking on the 1 hour chart. But the 1 hour chart is giving me a lot of information because I need to make a lot of moves right now. I need to be buying things. I need to be selling things. I need to be preparing for another drop. And that's what you need to do as an investor. If you're trading as well, you need to understand when to buy, when to sell, because you don't want to always hold things unless you're very long-term and bullish on something and you pretty much just want to buy it and hold it and just let it do its thing. But if you're trying to maximize your profit, you want to learn how to trade like a pro. So what I am suspecting right here is this was your time to short and to sell it before it dropped. And as a trader, what you want to do is you want to buy low and sell high. But what I am getting is a buy signal right here. I'm getting a buy signal right here. So what this potentially shows us is that this may be the bottom for the relative short term and that we might continue to reverse to the upside. So what we need to look for is some confirmation, a reversal to the upside. But we're down about 6%, and let's see how much we have come down from this level right here. And it's looking like we have come down approximately 15%, which is perfectly healthy because this was the overall reversal. This was the reversal that was very important for us. Since we were able to correct here and to maintain a bullish position, that is a very good sign. So what we are just seeing here is, I believe, just looking at the 1 hour chart, is we are still in a bullish trend in the long term and in the relative short term, and that we are just retracing right here. And we need to look for a potential bounce, because if we can see a bunch of volume, if you can pull out a chart and you can take a look and see if we're getting a bunch of volume, which we're not. But when you do see a bunch of volume, especially on the 1 hour chart or above, that could be a potential great signal to pay attention to in order to make a buy to catch up a maybe 20 to 30% gain. And at that point, I would go ahead and pull out and take my profits depending on my trading strategy. So what do I think is going to be happening for BTT? It really all depends on the crypto market this weekend. Now the stocks were kind of consolidated today. They didn't really do much today. And that's what happens on Fridays. On the Fridays in the stock market, it's kind of a red day. There's just an insider day. Not a lot of volume, not a lot of stuff going on. but futures are looking green, and I think Monday is going to be a huge day for the stock market. And we must know that when the stock market pumps, cryptos pump as well. And if the stock market is down, cryptos are down as well. There's evidence of it today. In the last couple of days when the stock market was green, that's when we pumped. So we want to consider the stock market and the crypto market and the overall financial and economical situations in the US. So overall, what do I think is happening? Honestly, I think that we are going to potentially pull back a little bit even further, because I'm taking a look at Ethereum. Ethereum is kind of dropping off a little bit. Bitcoin's consolidating. We have Dogecoin. I think Dogecoin is actually going to drop it just a little bit. So some of our cryptos, they're kind of falling off, consolidating, not really doing too much, which can be a good sign, because they can pump at any moment. But I think that we'll get more of a little bit of a pullback potentially this weekend, and maybe blast off on Saturday, maybe blast off tomorrow, which is Saturday. So just keep your eyes and ears open. But I think we're going to come down a little bit. Let me go back to the BTT chart. I think we're going to come down just a little bit more, or we're going to potentially reverse here to the upside. But I think we're going to get a little bit of a pullback, and that's when I'm going to be looking for my sniper entries. So if you guys like today's video, please hit that like button, subscribe, share this video with some of your friends and family. And if you guys want to get my private trade signals, go ahead and join the Patreon. The link will be in the description below for a bunch of services where I can help build your crypto portfolio and many other things. And I will see you guys in the next video.